Hi, David Campanile here, owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate. So today's topic is going to be about, if I move out of the state, is my estate plan still valid? But before we dive into that, if you have any questions pertaining to estate planning or probate, and you want to schedule a free strategy session over the phone with me, head on over to njestateattorney.com to schedule a day and time that works best for you to talk. And that is for free over the phone. So, this was a question that I got from a client actually who we are finalizing her estate plan. And it's a very valid question. It's a question that I get asked often. And I thought, you know what? I think this needs a video. It's one I have not done. So, if you move out of New Jersey, is your estate plan valid? Long and the short of it is, yes. As long as you have followed what the state of New Jersey shows and describe under statute, what is a valid will, which it has to be in writing, signed by you, and notarized with two witnesses. So if you have all those components, you have a valid will. But remember, when you and all your other documents go through the same thing, that they have to be signed by you, in writing, witnessed, and notarized. But when you leave the state of New Jersey, for example, and you go to another state, let's say, I don't know, I always use Florida, so let's just stay true to who we are and where we send people, and you move to Florida, your will can be probated and your estate plan can be utilized, but remember, the laws in Florida are different than they are in New Jersey. So, what I always recommend to people is, once you've established your residency in the state of where you're moving, reach back out to me. I may know some attorneys in that state that I could refer you to talk to. Go over your estate plan with them. Make sure that, you know, what's in your will doesn't conflict with a law in that state. It shouldn't, but just in case, because I can't practice out of the state of New Jersey, and it's better to have an attorney who practices in that state look at what you have done rather than just rely on what you did in the previous state. And I only say that because, you know, laws change. We want to make sure that everything stays fluid for you. And again, that is the perk of the estate planning documents, is we can alter these, we can change these. These are not set in stone. The only time you're set in stone is when you become incapacitated or something happens to you and you can't change them. But otherwise, you can take an estate plan you created in New Jersey and go down to Florida. And the example I have is, I have people that are creating estate plans here with trusts. They move down to Florida, but in your trust, it says this trust is going to be operated under the laws of the state of New Jersey. Now you've moved, you may have slightly friendlier trust laws down in Florida, so that could be a reason to go get a trust amendment to say we're changing the laws that govern this trust. Just saying, it's always something to look into. It's always something to talk to an attorney who specializes in estate planning in that state. So the long and the short of this video is, yes, your estate plan is valid if you move out of the state of New Jersey and into another state. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please hit the like button. Head on over to YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel, head on over to Instagram and TikTok at njestateattorney. Wow. If you found this video informative and you know somebody who may have questions pertaining to estate planning or probate, share this video with them. Tell them you were thinking about them. If you have questions pertaining to this topic or any other topic in estate planning or probate, and you want to schedule a free strategy session over the phone with me, head on over to njestateattorney.com to schedule your free strategy session over the phone with me. As always, my name is David Campanile. I'm the owner of Campanile Law, located in the state of New Jersey. We handle estate planning and probate.